Hi guys,
Aniq here.
Ali here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have the brand new iPad mini 6th gen.
So this is the 64 GB iPad mini 6th generation. So this one has no more home button, as you guys can see, and it's in like almost the exact same size.
Yeah.
We also have the
Apple Pencil 2nd generation.
So you guys can see the box, the front, and yeah.
Okay, so now let's
So
open
you guys
it.
can see up here it says mini, and now let's open it. Take that off. Now let's open it up. And we opened it. Now,
Yep.
Ali,
Let's take this out, and then let's put it on the side, and let's see what's inside. So designed by Apple in California. Then we have the iPad mini instructions, the safety warnings, and let's see what else is in here. Oh, we have white Apple stickers, and
that's it.
That's it, yeah.
Let's put these away.
And there's also, now it charges like USB, so we have a USB-C by USB-C cable.
Yes, so now instead of having lightning, it has USB-C, and it also comes with the fast 20-watt charging brick.
Which is nice.
Let's put these back, Ali.
Okay.
Off. And now we have
The
the
iPad.
iPad, Ali. Then
So-
you open it up.
Okay. Let's see what it is. Okay, so this is
You guys can see the iPad from the front, and this is the back. The color is called.
Starlight by Apple. It looks
It's like a goldenish color.
with
The iPad, it like changes kind of colors and like light. So I guess when there's more light, it looks silver.
Yeah.
The more light there's silver, less light it's dark golden.
yeah.
It's kind of cool. You guys can see. It now has a bigger
Touch ID.
one here. Up here you guys can see Touch ID, and it also has two button power.
For the volume buttons.
Two volume buttons here. You guys can
So
see
instead of the side, it's on top.
it's on top. And that's because on the side over here goes
The
your
Apple Pencil magnet.
the magnet. So that's where this Apple Pencil connects. So Ali, you want to open it up now?
Okay.
Oh yes. Also, the Mini has now two speakers up here and two on the bottom with the USB-C. Let's open that up. While that's opening, let's open up the Apple Pencil real quick so we can try it out. Okay. Open this up. Side. And split it out.
Yeah, okay.
Same thing as before.
Designed by Apple in California.
It has the pencil papers, and now we have the pencil.
Ooh. Wow.
Put this back in. Okay. So you guys can see this pencil, it just like attaches magnetically here to the side. You guys can see to the side, it attaches magnetically. Now
And
let's set it up.
it has an 8.3-inch diagonally, and it also has the A15 Bionic chip.
So we can set up Touch ID. Let's set it up.
Later.
Let's set it up right now. Let's try
Okay.
it, Ali.
So I'll do it.
So pick it up. So you have the power button is the same as the Touch ID button. So we started it up. Now let's first off try the Touch ID.
Okay.
So let's first show them. So as you guys can see, it has the password.
And it
now
also says Touch ID on the top.
Touch ID, Ali, if you may. And it opens
It's
up.
instant.
It's Touch ID.
Yep.
Now let's try out the camera real quick.
So in the front, they added an ultra-wide camera, and in the back, they have a 12-megapixel wide
So
camera.
Ali, ready?
Yep.
Cheese.
And then let's zoom out.
You can zoom out.
Oh,
zoom in. So
whoa, that
there's
is
like
wide.
There's now an ultra wide camera on the
Front.
so that helps with like the FaceTime thing where it like when it's an ultra wide, it kind of like follows you around. That way.
There's called also center stage, which follows you around.
So that's what it is. So, and let's try out the pencil. So as we said, the pencil is not compatible. So if we attach it, you guys can see it up there.
Welcome to Apple Pencil.
That, and now we can try scribble.
Let's try writing.
Okay, so we can do just do random stuff. Hi, I am Aniq. That. So yeah, it does work. It works really well with this. So if we do this, you guys can see. So it works really well. You guys can see here.
Yep.
It works just like the iPad Pro, and I guess it's just like a smaller version of the iPad Air. And it's really good because I guess some people could probably fit it in their pockets if they wanted to. So, thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Subscribe to our channel.
And hit the bell icon. Bye.